Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project so nothing blocks the first implementation. Open your project and add base HTML, CSS, and JS files. Link them. Choose a sidebar width and whether it stays fixed or adapts responsively. This choice affects layout and accessibility. Once done, create the container element and a semantic aside tag for the sidebar. Give it an ID or class you will target with styles and scripts. Make sure to plan for mobile breakpoints before styling. You now build the structure and write the core CSS so the sidebar behaves well. Use CSS grid or flex to place main content and the asides side by side, then assign the chosen width and set background, padding, and overflow Y for scrollable content. Add a visible toggle button with proper area expanded and area controls attributes to support screen readers. Once styled, test at breakpoints. Make sure the sidebar collapses or overlays on small screens to preserve content space. You finish by wiring up interactivity and polishing the experience. Implement a JS toggle that adds or removes an open class, sets focus into the sidebar, and returns focus when closed. This improves keyboard navigation. Add smooth CSS transitions and keyboard handlers for escape and tab cycling. Test across devices and browsers. Make sure Z-index prevents overlap and adjust sizes if content clips. If something breaks, inspect computed styles and event listeners to quickly locate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.